Hi guys, so today in this video I'm going to tell you how to complete Sproutgigs human verification. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open Google Chrome, and if you have logged into your Sproutgigs account, you have to go here to micro jobs and then find jobs. After clicking find jobs, you will land here on this page, and here you can see there are a lot of jobs and their pay rate. So I'm just going to open one job. And if you come down and you can see that there are some prerequisites that what you need to do is you have to use this link, and then you have to complete the human verification, and then you are going to follow some steps after which they're going to pay you. So let's start with this. I'm going to copy this link and then I'm going to open it. Yes. Now I've opened this link right here, and let's see how it goes. So now you can see they have a few options through which I can, complete the verification. Now, an important thing which I'm going to tell you here is that these links do not work. These are fake, and people have created these links in order to benefit themselves. Maybe someone might be getting paid if we click on these links, because these links, they're not valid. They are not real, and we can't verify it like this. I'll give you an example, and I'll open one of these links right here. So you see, I've opened up one of the links and they're telling me to register, and it's like a trading company or something like that, but it's not real. We can't verify like this, and it's just a hyperlink to another website. So you're not going to register yourself, because if you do, then you're going to register yourself into this trading website, which is totally unrelated. Let me just try this one as well, just for your sake. So you see, it's like, respond to surveys and earn up to 65,000 per month. And let me just be honest with you that these things are not real. You're not going to earn this amount, and it's fake, and it's just a waste of your time. So this is the reality about these verification systems, the human verification systems. And most of these jobs, they're not legitimate, and they're not real, and you can't verify yourself properly, because they're going to send you somewhere else, and then you're going to register to their website, and they're going to benefit through it. So you have to find jobs with complete authenticity, because that's a drawback. That's actually a con of finding jobs on these websites. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like and subscribe the channel for more content like this. And that was it for today. Thank you for watching the video.